Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that can truly elevate your beauty routine. Today, let's talk about a lipstick that promises more than just color. Givenchy Le Rouge Sheer Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade N9 Beige Sable. It's designed to deliver a long-wear, velvety matte finish while keeping your lips hydrated and comfortable. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. So what makes this lipstick stand out? First off, it's all about the formula. The Givenchy Le Rouge Sheer Velvet Lipstick features a unique blend that promises to blur imperfections on the lips while providing a comfortable matte finish. The texture is incredibly soft, and the application is smooth, almost like a balm, with a rich color payoff. The shade N9 Beige Sable, a sophisticated cranberry hue, offers a perfect balance between bold and neutral, ideal for day-to-night wear. Now, let's talk about performance. The blurring effect is subtle but noticeable, especially if you have fine lines or uneven lip texture. It's not a full-on matte that dries out your lips, which can sometimes feel like a chalky finish. Instead, it maintains a velvety, smooth texture that doesn't emphasize dryness, something I really appreciate in a matte lipstick. It's not heavy, but you can definitely build up the color for a more intense effect without worrying about it looking cakey. In terms of wear time, Givenchy claims up to 12 hours of comfort, and I found that to be pretty accurate. After several hours of wear, the lipstick didn't feather or fade in uneven patches, which can often be a problem with matte formulas. It kept my lips feeling moisturized and comfortable throughout, which is a big win. I didn't feel the need to reapply constantly, but if you're drinking or eating, you may want to touch up. Now, the hydration claims. The initial hydration is immediately noticeable. My lips felt soft and smooth after application, and the formula preserved that moisture for a good amount of time. It's rare to find a matte lipstick that doesn't make your lips feel tight or dry after a few hours, so I was really impressed with how well this formula kept my lips feeling nourished. The hydration effect lasts up to 24 hours, which is fantastic for anyone who struggles with dryness or flakiness throughout the day. However, no product is perfect. While I love the smooth application and the fact that the lipstick doesn't dry out my lips, the color isn't quite as vivid on my lips as it appears in the bullet. It's still a beautiful shade, but I found that it takes a couple of layers to get the rich cranberry tone I was hoping for. That being said, the buildable nature of the product is a plus, as it allows for custom intensity. When it comes to value for money, Givenchy is definitely on the higher end of the pricing spectrum. At $39 for 0.11 ounce, it's certainly a luxury purchase. But if you're someone who appreciates long-lasting hydration in a matte formula, this might be worth the splurge. Givenchy's formulation is top tier, and the luxurious packaging only adds to the overall experience. You're not just buying a lipstick, you're investing in a high-end cosmetic experience. I would also say that if you're someone who likes to try out high-end lipsticks but doesn't want to break the bank, there are more affordable options out there that perform similarly. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal have impressive matte lipsticks with hydration benefits, though they may not match Givenchy's level of luxury. In terms of build quality, the packaging is absolutely stunning. The sleek, black, magnetic case with the Givenchy logo feels like a luxury experience with every use. It's not just about the product inside, but the whole presentation, which makes it even more enjoyable to apply. The lipstick itself has a soft, creamy texture that glides on with ease, and you can tell it's been carefully crafted. Now, when it comes to customer support, Givenchy has a solid reputation for handling inquiries well, and if you purchase from an authorized retailer, you're likely to get the assistance you need if anything goes wrong. I haven't personally needed to reach out to customer service, but given Givenchy's reputation for quality, I'd imagine they're responsive to customer needs. There haven't been any significant updates to this product, but Givenchy has been consistent in delivering high-quality products with each new collection. So it's safe to assume this one is likely to stay a favorite for those who enjoy luxurious lip products. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, I recommend checking out some of the matte lipsticks from brands like NARS or MAC. They have similar formulas with matte finishes and offer good hydration, though they may not have the same luxury feel or packaging as Givenchy. To sum it up, Givenchy Le Rouge Sheer Velvet Matte Lipstick in N9 Beige Sable delivers exactly what it promises: a matte finish with long-wearing comfort and impressive hydration. While it's a little on the pricey side, it's a great option for anyone looking for a luxury matte lipstick that doesn't sacrifice comfort. The buildable color and velvety texture make it versatile enough for daily wear or evening glam. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.